Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today, you guys know, if you guys haven't seen my last video, my freaking hood flew off. I have the footage of when that happened. I think it's in minute 4:10. Go check it out in my last video. Unfortunate, but we move on. We move on to better things and we come back stronger. But today we're gonna be fixing the hinges for the hood. It actually ended up bending that one over there. Ended up bending that one. This one is okay, but I ended up getting both of the hinges just so they're nice and even. But before I begin any of this video, we're gonna go ahead and announce the giveaway. So for this giveaway, I have decided to partner with Last Fit Auto Lighting. They have been helping and supporting this channel for the longest and supplying some of the best lighting in the game. And there's gonna be 4 winners, and there's a secret for the first 20 users, which I will mention. So stay tuned to the video. Stay tuned. We have decided to give away 2 pairs of reverse lighting and 2 pairs of licensed lighting. All you gotta do to enter this giveaway and have a chance to win one set of light bulbs is, all you gotta do is comment down in the YouTube video, subscribe to the channel, go check out Last Fit Auto Lighting on Instagram. They have freaking lighting for a lot of cars and they're one of the best in the games, man. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about.
Look at this, is reverse lighting. It's like your headlights are in the back, bro. That's how bright it is. And the tail lights are tinted. The licensed lighting lights up the whole back. It's like you have freaking white neon lights on the ground. These are absolutely super bright, especially when you got 0%, when you got 5% tint. Dude, these are gonna come in super clutch.
Go ahead, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and check out Last Fit Auto Lighting over on Instagram, and check out their website as well, man. And if you don't win, don't get discouraged. Here's a secret. A lot of you guys have been telling me that my light bulb projection is freaking bright, and they are. Check this out.
Damn. Well, that's bright.
They are also doing this. I'm gonna put the code right here. It's only available for the first 20 users. These light bulbs, they are the best in the game, but they are kind of pricey. So if you use this code, the first 20 users get 20% off. So now that you know what to do to enter the giveaway, let's go ahead and begin today's video.
So you guys know my hood flew off. This is the hinge right here for the hood. This one comes up pretty normal. And if you guys can see the direction, kind of like right on that part. I think it didn't get bent because the hood completely ripped off on that side. So here's where the hood was attached, and this completely ripped off from that corner of the hood, so there was no way to bend that hinge. But on this side, the hood was still attached and it actually ended up bending it. This one's going up to the moon. This one's going up to the moon, and that one's kind of going sideways. It has to be all the way down. If you install the hood like this, your hood's gonna be like up to here, and it's not gonna be even with this. So this got messed up, but no need to worry. I went ahead and went to Pick and Pull, you know, the junkyard. I found some hinges that are absolutely and phenomenal, and I found it off a G35 sedan. So this is me at the junkyard. All right, y'all, so this is my first time coming to Pick and Pull, but there's a shit ton of cars and they're all on fucking wheels, bro. That is crazy. I've never been here, but this seems pretty cool. You can literally grab whatever you want. I mean, it's not free, you still gotta pay for it, but. So here we have the G35. But they got the head and everything, but I think they left the hinges, which is what we need. Oh fuck, this shit's fucked up. This shit don't even close. This shit's fucked. I've been doing a little bit of research here while doing this. I found this G35 with a really good hood fitment. So we're taking the hinges off this car. Hinges themselves are universal to the G35, so they fit for G35 sedans or coupes for all the years. They're all the same. So now that we got the pieces, we're gonna go ahead and install them on my car very carefully. Try not to damage the car. If you guys are wondering how to replace these hinges are literally only 2 bolts. But we're not gonna remove the whole fender. These 2 right here, one right here, definitely one right there hiding behind this plastic. Just take off the clips, lift this up a little bit, you can take that off. Gonna go ahead and remove this one right there. When you open this door right here, but when you open the door, there's actually one right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. So once we're installing this hinge, we can go ahead and install the OEM hood. Now I don't know if I'm gonna wrap the OEM hood, but at the same time, like, I don't really need the wrap no more because the new hood that I ordered is gonna be all carbon fiber, and I'm not gonna wrap that thing. Once we install the hood, we can go ahead and do the review on the Kinetics manifold, but that will be on next video. All right, guys, I sped up the process and I already removed all the bolts necessary. You guys can see I took off this one, took off this one, I took off this one. This one you probably have a bolt. Mine was replaced by Mine was replaced by this. This is a thing to hold on the strut, the hydraulic struts that the car had. Then you should have another one right there. Mine did not have one. I don't know why. And the one by the door was super loose. Basically, we just gotta pull this off like this a little bit, and you can see the bolts for the hinges are back there. There you go, hinges off. Now let's go ahead and grab both hinges and compare them. You can see this one aligns perfectly with that. Look at that, very close. Like this completely unaligned. Like it completely got bent, and you can even see the hit right there. Right here is the hit, or not the hit, well, it got bent there. So now you just bolt on everything that you took off, all the screw. Oh, I'm missing these two, but I put everything back on. I even put a washer in here because it didn't have no washer and it was like sunk in, which is really good. Put a new bolt that we didn't have before. I actually have to tighten this one up, but look, well done. Well done, team. And after a year, I think, of running a vented hood, we are now back to the OEM style hood. What was that? The struts came off. Perfect. All right, guys. Now I think it's good. There you go. Look at the fitment, though. This is something I do miss. The fitment in this hood is freaking great. Like the other hood, I'm kind of happy. Not happy, but one of the good things that I'm kind of happy about that the hood destroyed is that the fitment on that hood was atrocious. I kind of had to live with it. This freaking this side was a little bit wider, not too bad. This wasn't, but the right side on the hood was like a finger gap, like even a finger and a half gap. Like it was fat. And now looking at the fitment again is pretty good. So hopefully when the hood comes from Fly One Motorsports and we get the full honeycomb carbon fiber hood, that freaking fitment will be on point, because overall the hood is not that far off. You guys can see now the real color between the wrap and the paint, and you guys can see how much orange peel, like no orange peel, literally from paint to wrap. But yeah, it's just a little bit darker. But anyways, as the garage comes to an end, this video is also coming to an end. Thank you guys very much for coming on board on learning how to install new hinges for your hood. Really nice purple, and then like, and then really nice. Either way, we can't do much. We're gonna have to rock with this hood. Either I wrap it and I become kind of happy with it, but either way, we're gonna have to wait till like July or even August to receive our honeycomb hood. But besides that, I'll catch you guys next video with the review on the manifold. And then this weekend I'm gonna be installing the Mishimoto oil cooler with the thermostatic sandwich plate, because this car needs an oil change and might as well replace the oil with the oil cooler. So we're gonna go ahead and be doing that this weekend. Really excited. Catch you guys then. Peace.